welcome to my channel. This is Grace and Happy New Year. So for the first series of 2021, I decided that I just made a bunch of Christmas layouts during the month of December. And so I figured that since I had them out that I was going to work on them a little bit more. But instead of doing more holiday or Christmas layouts, I decided that I was going to pull them out and see if I can make some non-Christmas layouts with them. So I'm just going to show you, these are some of the scraps that I have, and one of the reasons why I wanted to make this series was because I'm noticing that I have a lot of scraps of Christmas papers. It's due because, you know, I made the pages, plus I also made some cards in the month of December, and I don't like having too much scraps. And so my plan is to get rid of as much of them as I can. I've kind of pre-planned stuff. I think the best way for me to use these papers in a non-traditional way is to break them down by colors. So I'm planning on doing one that's all red, one that's all green, one that's more blues and blacks, and then we'll see what else I can do. So if you are interested in watching this series, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like these kinds of videos. Make sure that you also hit that bell button so that YouTube will notify you of when I post the next video. I hope that you guys are excited about this as I am, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.